Delhi is now the corona capital of India. The uncountable cries of COVID-19 patients in Delhi are getting louder and painful each day. The number of single-day positive cases has sharply spiked to over 1,366 cases, and the total number has reached 31,309 with 905 deaths. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia claimed the number of COVID-19 positive cases in the city were likely to reach 5.5 lakh by the end of July, and at least 80,000 beds would be required to provide treatment to the residents of the city as well as those coming from other states.
31 जुलाई तक करीब 5.5 लाख केस पहुंच जाएंगे दिल्ली में और उसके लिए करीब 80,000 बेड्स की आवश्यकता होगी.
After a crucial meeting of the State Disaster Management Authority, Sisodia said the doubling rate of COVID cases in the national capital was around 12 to 13 days. As per the government's estimates, there will be around 44,000 COVID-19 cases by June 15th, 1 lakh by June 30th, 2.25 lakh by July 15th and 5.5 lakh by July 31st. While the number of beds required on these dates would be 6,600, 15,000, 33,000, 80,000 respectively. The LG's office said several ideas had been discussed, including using Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, Tyagraj Stadium, JLN Stadium and Pragati Maidan apart from banquet halls and marriage places to augment capacity. Sisodia, who attended the meeting on behalf of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, claimed he asked Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal how he proposed to arrange 80,000 beds, and the latter said he did not know. The state of affairs in Delhi is pathetic as the patients are unable to get their tests done. Hundreds of people have been complaining regarding the denial by hospitals in treatment of COVID patients. Several heart-wrenching stories are floating on the social media platforms where people are sharing their ordeal with the hospitals in the time of crisis. There have been incidents where dead bodies are not being provided ambulances.
ये जो है ये मेरी भाभी है. उन्होंने इस कोविड के दरवाजे के आगे दम तोड़ दिया. 1 घंटे तक हम जो एम्बुलेंस की ऑक्सीजन लेके आए थे उससे तो इनका चल रहा था. जैसे वो ऑक्सीजन खत्म हुई इन्होंने यहाँ पे दम तोड़ दिया. ये 1 घंटे तक यहाँ पर है जबकि नीचे एडमिशन की वो मिल गई थी. इनको कोई ट्रीटमेंट नहीं दिया किसी ने. ये मेरी भाभी.
Sisodia said that he asked the LG to reconsider his decision to overrule the government's notification reserving state-run and private hospitals for the residents of Delhi, but he refused to do it. Baijal's office, however, said in a statement that the LG had reversed the order as it violated the constitutional rights of equality and right to life, which included right to health. LG also advised the officers concerned to invoke Section 50 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 for expeditious procurement and timely setting up of the required infrastructure, the statement said. The AAP government and LG have been at loggerheads since Monday when the latter overruled the CM's order to reserve private and state-run hospitals during the COVID-19 situation for the residents of Delhi. The estimates of worsening pandemic and underpreparedness of the government has put the people of Delhi under panic and fear.